Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to send documents to email from your mobile device in 2025, a process that takes just a few moments. First, make sure your phone has a strong internet connection. You'll also need an email account already configured on your device. Finally, identify the exact document you want to attach, whether it's in your cloud storage or local files. Once your essentials are covered, open your chosen email app. Look for the Compose button, which often appears as a plus sign or a pencil icon, typically at the screen's bottom. This action will open a fresh, new email draft. Now, carefully type the recipient's full email address into the field. Always double-check for any potential typos before moving forward. Next, it's time to attach your document. Find the paperclip icon in your email draft, typically near the subject line or at the bottom. Tapping it will open your device's file manager. Browse to locate your document, perhaps in Downloads or a specific app folder. Select the file, and it will be added as an attachment to your email. With your document attached, complete your email with a clear subject and body. The subject line should be brief and informative, like Report January 2025 or Meeting Notes. Then, write a short, polite message in the email's body. Briefly explain what the attachment is about. This ensures the recipient understands your email's purpose immediately upon opening it. Before hitting send, take a moment for a final review. Double-check the recipient's address, the subject line, and the attached document itself. Also, confirm your attachment is under 25 megabytes to avoid bounce backs. Once everything looks perfect, press the send button. Your document will now be on its way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.